Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'll show you how to create a quick note on your iPad using the iPad Magic Keyboard. So basically you can do this from anywhere, but to create a quick note, for example, let's say you just open up something and you need to create a quick note. What you can do is just press the change language button and Q at the same time, and this little bar on the right will pop up. You can click on that and it will expand the quick note option. So you can just type anything you want in here, and once you're done with that note you can just press done and it will close up, and you will have that note in your Notes app right here. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.